Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sally Stampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you something a little bit different. I'm bringing you a little thing that I have produced, which is a card kit in a box. So it is one of our thick wood mount stamp cases, and inside is a little kit to make some cards. So inside this one, which will be available from tomorrow, 1st of July, and will run until the 28th, when I will then bring out another one for August. So this one is, as I say, for July, and inside you will get a Wink of Stella, a lovely clear Wink of Stella brush. You will get, I'll just move these for a moment. You will get 5 of the Whisper White note cards and envelopes, and then you get enough of the pieces of embellishments, etc., that I have used to make my cards. So you will have, there are 4 die cut butterflies in here. There are 5 of each of the colours of the butterflies in flowers. And you also have some Whisper White baker's twine, some large and small pearls, and some large and small rhinestone. And there will also be, which I forgot to put in because I always forget something. But I will show you what cards I've made with this, and obviously it is then entirely up to you how you go about making up your cards. I've used the perennial birthday stamp for all of my cards, so I haven't used 100 different things to try and create these. I've literally just used my collection of inks and, as I say, 1 stamp set. So the first card I made was this little one with Balmy Blue, the Balmy Blue butterfly. Now I don't know if you can see, but he is covered in Wink of Stella. I don't know if he's showing up very well. But I've simply layered Balmy Blue and then the Whisper White stamped with Balmy Blue, stamped off on the odd occasion, wrapped some twine around it and made a little bow, and just added my sentiment and a couple of rhinestones. So obviously that's where you would use your Wink of Stella, and as you saw, there is the white and blue layer for you to create this card. The second one I created was this one, which is soft sea foam, and this is where I've used the white butterfly just as like, my brain's gone, sorry, my words aren't coming out at all today, as a stencil, and I've simply daubed the soft sea foam ink over the top just to create this, because it's completely flat, just to create this little effect here. And then I've just stamped Happy Birthday in Mossy Meadow and added a little bow. The third one is using the shaded spruce, and these are the bits that I need to add in, just a strip of DSP and cardstock. And I've used my brayer on this one to create the background, the So Saffron background. And again, you've got, I didn't add Wink of Stella to this one, and then I've just stuck the butterfly on and added the rhinestones down the centre. And the fourth one is Highland Heather, which again I've got the layers going on here, the butterfly. This also has Wink of Stella all over it, and I've stamped off and then stamped with Highland Heather, So Saffron and Mint Macaron as the little flowers, and obviously a little sentiment. So those are my 4 examples. As I say, you have got 5 cards just in case you make a mistake on one, or you manage to, maybe once you've used this one as a stencil, you could use that as another butterfly that's got the soft sea foam daubed on it, or whichever colour you choose to use. But yeah, basically you get everything included except the stamp set, the adhesives and the inks. So you will get everything else that you need. The good thing with all of this is that what I did notice was that once you have purchased this and you have all your bits inside, you could actually use this as a travelling kit. And the reason I thought of this, take your Wink of Stella out of its box so it doesn't take up anywhere near as much room. Then you can still fit a stamp pad and a chamois in a bag, sealable bag, so you can wet it, seal it, just take the air out of this one, and fit your chamois in here. Oops, tuck them all in. And you have got a ready-made on-the-go kit that you can keep in a bag or a little hold all, or if you're sitting on a train for ages. And at least then, I mean, as well, you could probably, like I think about this, you could also fit in one of the smaller blocks. So that would still fit in with your chamois. If you wanted to, and I know this is a little bit scary, you could cut your chamois in half if you were stuck for space. Because you could still take your block and a little sentiment and your chamois, so you can stamp, you can clean, perfect. Of course, if you wanted to, you could add stamping spots, so you've got 2 or 3 different colours maybe. But for this one, that is what you will get in your card kit. I have also produced you a project sheet that has all of my cards on there with photos and the recipe of how I made them, and you can have one of these every month, and they are £15, and that includes your postage and packaging, it includes the case, and it includes all of the goodies that are inside, like I said, except for the stamp, the ink and the adhesive. Every month I will bring you something slightly different, so next month, instead of having Wink of Stella, you may have the chamois, or you may have stamp ink spots or a spritzer. It will change from month to month, and obviously the die cuts will change too, but there will always be a project sheet to give you some idea, and there will always be some little bits of embellishments and things to go with it. So if you would like one of these and you are interested, you can either click on the link to my blog, which is just below, or you can contact me via my Facebook page or anything like that. As I say, there is a blog post linked to this, which is just in the description below, and that will give you the details of how to get hold of me and how to request one of these kits. Obviously, if you want the perennial birthday stamp set as well, that is separate price, but I can add that in for you, so just let me know. But yeah, they're my card kits in a box, and they're just great because they're clean, waterproof, safe, tidy and ideal to just carry around with you. So if you would like a card kit in a box, then just let me know. As I say, all my details are below just in the description. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye!